Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing my hair with you all. I literally just finished my hair routine that you guys requested, so make sure you check out that video. And today I have a new unit from Luvme hair. You guys know I've been wearing Luvme hair for literally the past month, so I'm super excited to install this wig because I need my hair done like bad. So upon the many things that they put in the box, you guys know are gonna be some wig caps. My hair is already braided back. Got my little tail sticking out. I'm about to go ahead and put my cap on. Now, crazy enough, like lately I've been doing the ball cap method. However, I don't really see that big enough of a difference. What I have noticed is that my edges are starting to get ruined again. And I don't want my edges to get ruined. So today, I think I'm just gonna do the regular put your cap on and glue the wig down. That's the method that we're going for today. I went ahead and applied some wax to my edges while I was braiding it down. This has been my new thing lately. And literally that just helps protect my baby hairs and my edges from, you know, any glue or just getting damaged. So that does it for me. I'm just gonna pull this and make sure that most of my baby hairs are covered. I'm gonna be using my foundation, and this is the NYX Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I like it because it's matte. Specifically for my wigs, I feel like it's matte and it dries hella quick, so I don't really have to like worry too much about it, like, I don't know, just seeping. I believe it's fall. If you guys don't know, like October is my birthday month, and I feel like October just went by so fucking fast. I don't know where it went, but I'm already ready for her to come back. I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray and I'm gonna spray on top just to set this. Like I said, I don't want it to seep. This unit, I believe this is 22 inches, but I won't lie, the first thing that I noticed, I'll show you guys, it doesn't look 22 inches to me. Maybe it's 22 inches stretched out, but because this is such a loose curl, I still don't see 22 inches of hair. We're gonna try her on, but that's just me and my first impression, okay? And we're gonna see how this does. But inside the unit, it did come with bleached knots. The lace looks amazing. This is their HD undetected lace, and sis is giving undetected, okay? I definitely could go back in and bleach the knots, but I am not. Y'all know this is a lazy girl tutorial. And then the inside, we do have a place where they sewed in the opportunity, and they gave me. So I am gonna be applying this just because, you know, I want it to be as secure as possible. I'm gonna be taking a makeup brush to smooth this out. Do not judge me, okay? Only God can judge me. I put on my second layer of glue, and this is my unit. This is how it's looking. I went ahead and took my new hot comb, and yes, new. I had to buy a new hot comb for this. But yeah, I plucked it a little bit, not that much. And now I'm going to literally just be going in and apply my unit. Girl got a big head. I don't want it that tight. So that's one of the benefits though of having this headband. I want it snug, but I don't want it to be suffocating my head. Y'all know how that feels when your wig kind of too tight. Did I forget to do something? I did, but it's okay. So sometimes I like to take my lace off first, and then other times I take it off after I've already like set the unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install my wigs after I've already set my hair. So right now I'm just measuring the wig, and I want to make sure that my cap is covered. One thing I am noticing about this hair is that it rips really easily. I am not like 100% positive what kind of lace this is, but I don't know if I like it. I won't lie. So pretty much I feel like now that I have this wig on, I probably should have done the ball cap method. Just because of how it's looking. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm moving kind of quick because, like I said, the glue that I use, which I will leave down below. I've been using this glue for the past couple months. So I'm gonna part my hair in a minute so you guys can see like how the cap looks. Maybe my foundation isn't giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know. But when you part it, all I see is screen door. Right? All I see is screen door in there. And yeah, so it looks like they bleached the knots specifically around the perimeter. But the inside of this wig, next time, before I wear this again, I definitely need to bleach the knots. For sure, for sure. I'm fighting right now, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to see the vision, but I don't see it right now. And yeah. Anyway, and the only way I know how to do baby hairs for real is to just take the edge of my comb and kind of just like pull whatever falls. That's what we're doing. So I start off like so, pull it, but I'm taking a new one and I'm going to like cut around my ear. Just cut a little bit off my ear area so that my ear isn't like tucked. I remember the first time I learned that you're allowed to cut your lace, and like that's the whole point of lace, is to be like custom. And so if you have never cut your ear, sis, cut your darn ear. Alright, so I'm being real ratchet right now, y'all, because I ain't got no clips and I don't feel like getting up. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs. I've been liking longer baby hairs lately. They are not natural. I remember when wigs first came out, everybody was like, your baby hairs are too long, your baby hairs are too obnoxious. And now everybody has obnoxious and long ass baby hairs. So I've literally just been fluffing the curls out. This is a water wave, so you can go in with water and you can wave it if that's what you would like to do. But I am probably just going to wear it in its natural state. I'm going on vacation, so I probably will be taking my spray bottle with me more than likely. And I'll definitely wear it wet, because this hair, you don't want it to dry out, period. You don't want no dry ass water wave. However, I also don't want it to be like too defined, because I like the fluffy look. So what I'm going to do right now is go in with my part, and so I'm just going to take the end of the rat tail comb and just part my hair. One thing I did know about this wig is a lace front wig. It's not a full lace, so you want to be careful not to part too deep, because the lace stops about right here. If you guys can see that, it stops about right there. It's Kira Care. This is the Kira Care wax stick. It's honestly my first time using this. finish off with my baby hairs really quick. I feel like this was a stupid easy install. I'm gonna show y'all how I go from crazy to finish in like 5 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the baby hair, the actual hair itself, and then I'm going to be using the brush that they sent over, which is the dual-ended brush, one on the end and then a comb on the other end. I'm gonna spray my brush with some Got To Be spray, and I'm gonna go in, start swooping my baby hairs with this. This is great if you're like me and you are literally out of motherfucking edge control. But it's also great because I feel like a lot of Instagram stylists today are doing baby hairs like this without edge control. And I find it much easier to do it the way that they do it. So all I do is I start swooping, and that way it's a little bit easier to see like what I need to cut off. Now we're gonna go in with some mousse. I'm gonna take this and just cover that same area. The mousse is gonna give me a little bit more flexibility, but it's also gonna allow me to get this style that I want. Quite a bit of mousse because I have a skincare routine, sis. I work out sometimes, and because I'm not going in with edge control, if you are an edge control girl like me, you just want this to be secured. So these are the two products that I have been using lately on my baby hairs, including my natural baby hairs, and it really is bomb. Like, it really is bomb. It's some little short spots in the back of this wig, so I'm just going in with some Got To Be and this small brush, and I'm just brushing it down. I'm going to go in with this side. So glad they sent me another one of these because, oh child, I lost my other one, and these come in clutch. All right, be honest, does this hair look 22 inches? 22 inches? Nah. Nah. Hell no. Look where it's coming. No ma'am. And I'm gonna go in with some mousse. Whatever kind of blue mousse you can find. If it's blue, it's bomb, okay? I'm gonna go in with 2 pumps on each side, and I'm literally just gonna finger rake this into the hair. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I like it. I think it looks really cute. Look really nice. I love that they're not like, they're still flexible. They're not like stuck to my head or anything. I actually went in with some water. I mean, it's water wave, so I felt like I had to give y'all the full effect. So this is the water wave when it's wet. And I absolutely love this hair. So let's go over the pros and cons really quickly. The pros are obviously this is some really gorgeous hair. The lace is amazing. It's a little bit intimidating, especially if you're a beginner with lace. So I would definitely say this is a good wig to get installed. But if you're thinking about doing this yourself, sis, just beware. Every little thing that you do will be seen through this lace. It is HD. It's 100% invisible. If that's what you love, go for it. However, I could just see myself literally doing my first wig and I would fuck this up. I would just fuck this up. This is not beginner friendly in my opinion. It did come pre-plucked, which is great for lazy girls like me who don't want to do the most. It looks really good. However, the knots were not bleached. They were only bleached in the front. not throughout the whole thing, which is why I'm literally gonna go in off camera. It doesn't look too bad right now, but I'm gonna go in probably off camera before I do the final clips, and I'm gonna add some concealer here, because once you start to get to the back of the unit, you can see screen door and you can see knots, and I don't really like that, okay? But I do like this unit. I love the hair. Okay, the hair is bomb. Luvme hair is always bomb. But I will say the length is not true to length on this wig, and that's so disappointing to me. It's so very weird. They did send the 22-inch unit, and I believe I even confirmed that. Let's see. I don't think this is 24 inches. I'm gonna include some clips of me with my makeup done so you guys can see, but make sure you have me on Instagram at Miss Erin Yvette if you wanna see how this hair looks, you know, every day. Just keep up with me, sis. You know, I would enjoy that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.